I've discovered a straightforward $700 per day AI side hustle called Google to Purchase. If you're interested in making money online, watch this video because I'll show you the process step by step. For context, nearly half of all product searches start on Google. Every second, around 100,000 people are actively searching on Google, which totals about 8.5 billion searches every day. Google undeniably dominates the search landscape. This creates a fantastic opportunity where you can act as the intermediary between a Google search and a purchase. Essentially, this business model involves providing valuable content that ranks well. People click on these articles to get informed, and then they use the provided links to make purchases at no extra cost to them. This is basically affiliate marketing focused entirely on Google search. As I mentioned earlier in this video, I'll show you exactly how to execute this side hustle. In a nutshell, it involves selecting a super specific niche using AI, creating a website, signing up for various affiliate programs, and using SEO and AI tools to help produce reading content that ranks. So, why should you listen to me? Well, I actually do this for a living. I've made millions of dollars through various forms of affiliate marketing, so I'd say I have a solid understanding on how to build a business like this. The first step is to choose a very specific niche. Why is it specifically important? Well, I'll tell you why. All the more popular and broad industries are dominated by the big players. These are large companies like CNET, Consumer Reviews, NerdWallet, and others. Essentially, these companies have such strong domain authority that all their articles are going to rank on the first page of Google. It's very challenging for small players like us to rank ahead of them. To bypass this, we need to be ultra specific with our niche. Choose a specific interest or hobby and narrow it down. For example, by location, if we go to Google Trends, we can see what is trending. And we basically want to select something that is on the rise. For instance, if I search for cybersecurity, it will show me the interest over time. I recommend setting the time frame to the past 5 years. As you can see, interest in cybersecurity has been increasing over the last 5 years. That is the first criterion I look for. More specifically, let's consider VPNs. You can see VPN usage has also increased, not as dramatically, but it is still trending upward. This could be a specific niche for our content. However, I don't recommend focusing on VPNs, especially since it is a very competitive area. I just want to give you an example. The next step is to go to ChatGPT and prompt it with this. What are some super specific niches that I can write articles about in the cybersecurity or VPN space? This is for a blog that monetizes through affiliate marketing. As you can see, there are very specific use cases for, let's say, VPNs that we could write articles about. For example, VPN use in specific countries, VPN for gaming, VPNs for traveling. Whatever it is, I recommend using ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. For this video, let's go with this example. The next thing we need is a website, as this is where all your content will reside. I recommend using Hostinger, one of the most affordable platforms available. They offer built-in tools like AI generation and SEO tools to assist you with your website. Their AI website builder allows you to create a website in about 10 minutes. I recommend following along with this video. If you use the link below, it will take you to this specific landing page. This platform allows you to build up to 100 different websites for under $30 per month. Again, use the link below to get to Hostinger. Click Claim Deal and then select the plan you want. There are the Premium, Business, and Cloud Start plan. Most of you probably won't need the Cloud Start plan initially. You can upgrade to it later if your website grows significantly. The Premium and Business plans are going to be the best options for most people. You can compare the different features, but essentially, you can create 100 different websites with any of these plans. They offer a ton of storage, free SSL, free email, free domain, and many other features, including their Hostinger website builder. which provides cool features that give you a competitive edge. Since the business plan includes some of these advanced AI copywriting tools, I'll choose that for this video. It costs under $4 per month. But if you want to save some money, you can opt for the premium plan and use ChatGPT for your content creation instead of the built-in tools. I'll click add to cart. Next, you'll choose a time period. I always recommend going for at least 24 to 48 months because it locks in the lowest price for the longest time. You'll create your account here, select your payment method, enter all the required information, and you don't need to commit to 48 months. You can also choose 24 or 12 months, but for most people, I recommend opting for the 24 or 48 month plan since this is a long-term business. Plus, you can use the same plan to build multiple websites, up to 100 different sites. This is why I really love Hostinger. Once you have signed up, you can access the Hostinger dashboard to set up your website. First, click create, then click next. For this video, I'll show you how to use the Hostinger website builder. But if you prefer to make your website using WordPress, you can opt for that too. The AI website builder will then begin finding relevant pictures, populating the website with text, and creating designs that match the description you provided. This is what it generated for us. As you can see, there are some changes to make, but it has populated the website with a blog section. It looks pretty good here, and there's a footer section as well. We'll be able to add our logo, update the menu in the header, and check how it looks on mobile. If everything looks okay, you can go ahead and start building the site, but you can also make a bunch of edits. We'll click that. I won't show you too much about actually building the website in this video since it's pretty straightforward. This Hostinger website builder is very easy to use. You can double click on anything to change it. For instance, if we wanna make a section wider, we can just drag it. We can change any of the text, the font, the color, and even the buttons. If you want to adjust the height of a section, we can drag it to make shorter or taller. I really like the grid system because it keeps everything looking clean. I recommend you play around with it. There's a ton you can do to customize it. Now let's move on to the next section. The next step is to sign up for a bunch of affiliate programs like Impact Radius, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction are good options. You can sign up for all of these, look through their marketplace, and see what products they offer. Essentially, you'll apply to programs that relates to your website. For example, I'm here on Impact Radius, which is one of the more popular affiliate marketing platforms. You can learn more about their affiliate program, check the details, see where they service, how they track, and other relevant information. You can also visit their website to learn more about the product. After reviewing, click apply and explain why you want to work with them on this campaign. Submit your application, and once approved, within a few days, you'll receive custom affiliate links for your business. The next step and most important one is to create good content that ranks. Fortunately, Hostinger has a bunch of built-in AI SEO tools to assist with this. Additionally, you can use other tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, AI, Jasper, and many other GPT-powered writing tools. Why is ranking important? Only 0.63% of people actually click onto the second page of Google search results. So if you're not on the first page, it will be very hard for people to find your article. The top ranking organic result is 10 times more likely to be clicked than the 10th spot, emphasizing the importance of high ranking. You might think this seems impossible, but there are some strategies you can use to improve your chances of ranking on the first page. You could say the top 5 VPNs for a specific purpose. We can get very specific with our audience, whether by market, country, type of user, or a specific location. This way, we can precisely target the type of person we are aiming for. We could use the built-in AI writer, but For this video, I'll show you how to write an article using ChatGPT. For example, write a 500-word article about the best VPNs for gamers in Argentina. As you can see, we used a long tail keyword here. The article will mention NordVPN and ExpressVPN. We'll click enter and it will generate the article for us. I don't recommend just using the AI generated article as is. Use it as a foundation, a base, and then add your personal spin to it. For this article, I also recommend including images. For instance, if you're talking about NordVPN, you should actually get NordVPN. Show how it works and include some screenshots. This makes your content overall much better for the customer. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this. I don't recommend doing this exactly, but since we're just making a video, I wanted to show you. Now, I'll click on these three dots and go to blog. This is where we can manage our blog posts. Let's click add new posts. As I said before, you can create a blog post using AI directly within the Hostinger website builder, or we can just write it ourselves. I'll click skip since we use ChatGPT to generate it. Here we can edit the blog header, change the size and all that stuff. We can also edit the text. Let's say top VPNs. You can write a description here. I'll skip that for now. Make sure the post URL has the keywords that looks good. Ensure to have an author as well. Let's say commit. Set the post date and click save. Now we'll come down here, go to the post content and paste. Let's make this more visible by changing the color. We can add an image here as well. You can generate an image using AI or choose from their gallery. As you can see, it's super easy to do. You also wanna come here to the three dots, go to SEO and use their AI SEO assistant to help with a bunch of changes. Click Start SEO Assistant, create a page description, click Next. It will have us select 3 keywords for our page at least. Click Next and review the search engine appearance. Click Finish, and as you can see, there are tons of SEO tools built into the Hostinger website builder. Definitely use this to optimize the SEO because it will greatly increase the chances of your article ranking on Google. It's also important to optimize your website for mobile since many of your sales will come from smartphones. You want to ensure that your website is fast and responsive, and Hostinger is a great website builder and host to ensure that your website meets all these criteria. Essentially, this is a simple concept, but it is not easy. It takes a lot of time and effort, but I truly believe that everyone can do it. You can get very creative with the types of articles you create and the specific niches you choose. There's a ton of potential with this business model. However, like with any business, you need to be consistent over a long period of time. But I guarantee you, if you stick with it, you'll learn a ton of valuable lessons about building websites, SEO, affiliate marketing, and more. I built many websites, and you basically just need one to take off and create a full-time income. Again, the link to Hostinger is in the description below. Make sure to use it. I truly believe that everyone watching this video, even if you don't plan on doing Google to purchase, should get started with Hostinger and create websites because it will kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. I hope you found value in this video. I know we have covered a lot of topics. Feel free to reference this video at any point. Again, I recommend following along with the video. I wish you all the best of luck with your business endeavors. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. I create a ton of videos about personal finance, entrepreneurship, and investing. And my goal is to help you achieve financial success. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.